you ever spent hours perfecting a detail that most people won't even notice? Then you, my friend, are meticulous. Today's word for the day is meticulous. It's an adjective which means showing great attention to detail, very careful and precise. Its origin is from the early 16th century and its meaning eventually shifted from being fearful to over careful. There are synonyms of the word such as precise, careful, diligent, and antonyms such as careless, sloppy, and negligent. There are various ways in which you can use this word in sentences. For example, the artist spent meticulous hours painting each strand of hair. Being meticulous doesn't mean slow, it means you care enough to get it right.